Hello everybody and thank you so much. Today we are going to talk about from the introduction of the second book inside of this PMBOK guide. This specific part is all the knowledge regarding from the guide of the project management. In this part you can find the section the introduction that we are going to talk to today. Then we have the section 2 regarding the project management performance domains. After that the tailoring. And finally, we have the input, outputs, tools and techniques, and all the aspects that we need to know in order to pass the PMP exam. For us, it's very important that in this introduction, explain very clear the relationship between the PMBOK and the standard for project management, all details from the change of the PMBOK, the last version 6, 7, 8, and a brief overview from this specific version of the PMBOK. This specific part contains three sections. The section 1.1 is the structure of the PMBOK guide. It contains four core sections. The first section is the PE project management performance domains. Identify and describe seven project management performance domains and integrate the system in order to deliver the project and intended outcomes that with all the people, all the stakeholders, all the PNID, they need to comply at the end of the project. The second core is the tailoring. The tailoring is not matter try to um, take try to um, be part of the result in order to tailoring individual projects during this cycle, the life cycle. The other part that we have is the input and outputs. The input and outputs is very clear here. Is what tools, what inputs we have in order to complying what activities or process we need to do are true during these specific seven project management domains. And finally, the tool and techniques that you can use on each one of the process that contain this part of the PM book. When you understand that this is the four core section which have this PM book guide, you can understand how to respond each one of the questions that you are going to take in the exam. And for the reason one is the most typical question that we have in the exam is, for example, what is the project value? It's very easy. We have a total uh, six principles and eight performance domain. The sixth principle, as we see in the last standard of the project management, is proactive, value driving, and ownership. The proactive is all regarding from the holistical part and the quality. Value drive is value and integrate the sustainability, and ownership is regarding from the leadership and culture. And the performance demand always is the foundation from the rest for me because you have in here all regarding from the financial, scope, schedule, stakeholders, risk, and resource. And finally, you have in here the governance for the whole the project. After that, in the section 1.3, you can understand the change that we have. It's very easy. If you know regarding from the process, it's good because it's part of this new version. And also it's part all regarding the performance advance is start to come to here in in version 7. For that reason, the version 8 is a mix from both the last two versions. After that, we have all regarding from the Taliban driving, and we have the project performance demand that is a huge framework in order to understand and put in practice. With this, my friend, is all for everything and all for this. If you need something else, please let me know. And don't forget to follow my social network. Bye bye.